All right, the day has finally come where the BA Vander sander in the US is officially available for sale. So the prototyping stage is over. I've built this thing, I've tested it, I've pushed it to its limits, and it is a beast. This thing, you can run it slow for fine detail work, or, as I'm going to quick show you here, you can crank this thing up and literally shred metal. There you go. Just like that. So it does it all. It tilts, it rotates. The greatest thing about the rotate feature is if you got a big piece in here and it's banging into your other piece, you just lift the pin and the whole entire thing rotates. That way you don't have to move your entire grinder, to a different spot because it's pretty dang heavy. So that's nice. Also, it supports a 2 horsepower iron horse motor and a 12-inch disc. So this kit comes with everything except for the disc and the motor. This disc, you can pick those up on eBay pretty cheap. They are the Shopsmith 12-inch disc. You can also buy them directly from Shopsmith for about $60. So overall, the kit will come with all the plates, all the hardware, the bolts, and the only thing you need to buy is the motor and the disc. Now, I didn't realize how overkill 2 horsepower was for a disc sander, but yeah. So you don't have to get a 2 horsepower motor. You can get a 1 horsepower motor. You can run this thing on 120 volts with a 1 horsepower motor. But if you want the shredding power of a 2x72, get yourself the 2 horsepower and the 12-inch disc. You can always turn it down for fine detailed work. Anyways, guys, I just want to let you know that you can actually buy these now. Now, I'm going to leave a link below to the website where you can buy these. And if you get there and they're already sold out, that's fine. You can place a back order, and all back orders will be filled before they go back in stock. So I've got a bunch of these on order for my steel supplier. And when those come in, we will fill all the back orders in the order that they were received. So feel free to back order these, and I will guarantee that when the next batch comes in, you get one of those. I thank you guys all for the support, for the interest, and the good feedback that I got over the last couple months during this prototyping stage. But hey, the prototyping stage is over. It's built, it's tested, and you can now buy one for yourself. Thanks a lot, guys. I will see you later.